How often do you need backgrounds but can't find a handy project with many designs? Welcome to the Huge Package with over 300 animated backgrounds for any purposes. Find your favorite items and enjoy the result with iBG. ATOMX Extension helps you to speed up your work and spend no more time to collect separate projects. Template contains 17 ready-made background categories in different styles. Apply the element and edit it as you want. It's ready! This project has an adaptive design for any resolution and aspect ratio of your video. Also, all backgrounds have a speed control option and unlimited length. Make faster and better with iBG.